What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Perchance AI photo generator. The Perchance AI image generator is a free browser-based tool that lets you create AI images instantly, no account required, and here's how to do it. So firstly, open the Perchance AI image generator page in your browser. No sign up or login is required. You'll immediately see a prompt box where you can start typing. That's it, you're ready to create. Now, in the text box, type a detailed description of the image you want. Adjust available settings as style, aspect, and quality, and the more specific your prompt, the better your results. Now, all you have to do is click Generate button, wait for a few seconds for the image to appear, and review all the outputs. If needed, tweak your prompt and regenerate. Download your favorite image to your device. It's simple, fast, and of course, free. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.